First up, if we see how foreign flows have moved in the second half of February 2023, there was an outflow of around 57 million US dollars, taking the total outflow for the calendar year so far 2023 to close to 4.7 billion US dollars. Now, two sectors that remain in focus, firstly is the financial service and second is the energy, because both these sectors have seen two different halves in the month of February. For the first half of Feb, if you see, financial service sector had seen an highest inflow while the energy sector had seen the highest outflow, which was also on account of the Adani group stocks. However, in the second half, the tables have turned. Now, financial service has seen the highest outflow while the energy sector has seen a meaningful inflow of 156 million US dollars. In fact, the inflow in the energy sector is the first after the 5 consecutive quarters of outflow that we had seen, and the sector has seen a significant outflow from FIIs in the last 6 months, that is the energy sector, and the total outflow is currently at around 2.1 billion US dollars in the last 6 months. However, for the second half, if you see, the energy sector has seen an inflow of around 156 million US dollars, while the financial service has seen the highest outflow at around 274 million US dollars. Now, software and service sector also saw a small outflow of around 86 million US dollars, and during this period, if you see, the Nifty IT index was down by around 4 odd percent. Now, commercial and professional service sector, now that has seen the largest inflow in the second half of Feb 2023 at close to 261 million US dollars, followed by the capital goods sector with an inflow of close to 179 million US dollars. One thing to point out when it comes to the cap goods sector is the fact that the stance of FIs have changed from being underweight to overweight in the last 2 months. In fact, the sector has seen consistent inflow from FIs, while with the total investment in the last 6 months being close to 2.6 billion US dollars.